What's up, YouTube? It's been a while. Working on a 2013 Ford Fusion. Customer's complaint was the wipers only work on high. I've worked on some older vehicles that don't have so many electronics. This is one of the newer ones that has a camera and a rain sensor behind the rear view mirror. So there could be a few things: the wiper switch, the wiper motor. But here's the loop in the system behind the rear view mirror is the rain sensor pad, which is here. So what that does, it reads vibrations from the rain on a frequency that reports it back to the wiper control module and says, hey, it's raining, and the wipers will work by themselves. There's also a camera in this system here, but this is a plastic cover here that goes around it, and it's really not that hard to take off. You just kind of flex this cover and pull it back. On just doing that this morning, it pulled the mount for the rear view mirror off and some of the glass. Go figure. So I don't know if it's an aftermarket windshield or just something that's been weak over 150,000 miles. So if you're troubleshooting, your windshield wipers only work on high. Sometimes I'll tap on the windshield. Be careful, you know, could crack if there's weakness in it somewhere. If the windshield wipers start to work on your low speed and all that other stuff, you can say it's the rain sensor pad. If that doesn't work, pull it down and inspect your connections on it. You'll probably find that that's bad, but be careful pulling that plastic cover off, or you're going to wind up in the same shit that I just did, that the windshield broke. So windshield guys are telling me they can fix that. I don't know for sure because I've never done it. It's not like the old days. These things are holding a lot more weight. There's also a camera in here as well. Good luck. Thank you.